could stay. Wish for this moment to never go.
Today I'm going to be taking you guys through my Sunday self-care and reset routine. I like to look at Sundays as a fresh start and a good way to prep for the week ahead. So if you guys are similar to me in that sense, or you're looking for some inspiration on how you can productively spend your Sunday, then you definitely came to the right place. My name's Danny, by the way. If you guys are new here, if you are new here and you've yet to subscribe, please do so. I would love to have you join our little family. And with all that said, let's just get into the routine. Every good self-care and reset routine begins with a shower, in my humble opinion. I just think it's the best way to get yourself fully ready for the day, and especially on Sundays, I like to wash my hair so that for the entire beginning of the week, I really like how my hair looks, and then I take care of it yet again, probably on Wednesday. To blow dry my hair, I almost only use this Revlon hair dryer. I got this for Christmas last year, and I'm pretty sure I can find it on Amazon. So if you guys don't already know about this hair dryer, you must, and you can click the link down in the description. They were all the rage last November, December on YouTube and Instagram, and I feel like everyone got one for Christmas. That's at least what happened with me. So I love this thing, 10 out of 10 would recommend, and it gets my hair done and looking like I just left a salon in like 10 minutes. So let's do that now. And not even 10 minutes later, my hair looks like this. This style, oh my goodness. This style will last me usually until Wednesday, and then by Wednesday night, I'm in need for another wash. But Monday, Tuesday, and half of Wednesday, my hair stays looking really, really good. And now that I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna move on to doing some makeup. Especially on Sundays, I very rarely do my full face because these are the days that I'm normally posting content as opposed to shooting content. But today I am gonna take some pictures for a brand and maybe even film another video on top of this one if we're feeling super productive. So because of that, I wanna feel my best, and makeup does that for me. So let's see if I can get this done in about 10 minutes, and then we move on to things that are much higher priority. I decided that I wanted to give myself a bit of a manicure refresh. It wasn't looking awful, but it wasn't looking good, and I figure since today is a self-care day, I might as well just make it look how I want it to. And I've been seeing a bunch of people do this alternating manicure, and I mean, Maggie McDonald did it. That's probably where I got the main inspiration, but I've been seeing it all over TikTok and Pinterest, so I decided why not give it a try. So the color that I was wearing before is this navy blue color, and it is in the shade After Schoolboy Blazer. And then I'm gonna alternate that with this other Essie polish, which is in the color Showroom for One. I have a newfound love for doing my nails at home. I always was a really big fan of going and getting manicures because I thought it was so relaxing, which it is, of course, but I think there's something extra relaxing about doing your own nails at home. It just gives me time to be off of my phone, and I can listen to music or a podcast or watch some Netflix and kind of just sit in peace for a little bit. It's also saved me a ridiculous amount of money. I started painting my own nails regularly around the same time that I started making my own coffee in the morning, and I think it saved me so much money, which is amazing, especially because I'm 22 and I'm living with my parents, and eventually I'm gonna want to move out into my own apartment. But in order to do that, I need money, and I'm sure that doing those two things has pushed me towards my goal a whole lot more. I'm actually a really, really big fan of how this looks. I wasn't expecting to like it this much. Kind of fun, kind of fresh. Did people say that anymore? I feel old. You guys know that I'm obsessed with the podcast, Girls Gotta Eat. I listen to it every single Monday. It's like my favorite thing ever. I look forward to it every single week. And on that podcast, Ashley always talks about this show called Younger, and I recently found out that it's on Hulu, and I totally forgot that I have a Hulu account. So I decided to start it, and I'm obsessed with it. The show takes place in New York City, which you already know that I love, and it kind of just follows the life of a woman named Liza, who's played by Sutton Foster, and she is a 40-year-old woman pretending to be, I believe, 25. I just love this show. It's the easiest thing to binge watch because all of the episodes are only 21 minutes, and the main guy in the show I am legitimately in love with. So if you guys are looking for a new show to watch, I 10 out of 10 would recommend, especially if you like watching shows that take place in New York City and follow the lives of working women like I do. I feel like you would really, really enjoy it. Okay, I kind of made a mess over here, but I really like how it looks. I think it's kind of fun. One thing that I definitely, actually, I'm cold. I'm putting on a sweatshirt. Much better. Okay, one thing that I definitely wanted to get done today is to organize my closet. I'm not gonna be able to organize it in full because as I do this, I'm also going to be taking clothes out because I'm going back to my childhood home today. I am under the mindset right now, and not that I haven't always been under this mindset, but I think it's important to remind yourself to always make time for the people who make time for you. One thing I never understand is when I am watching a popular YouTuber's videos and then I scroll into the comments and they don't respond back to any of their comments. It just seems kind of weird to me because the whole reason why I have this platform is because you guys take time out of your day to watch me, and on top of that, so many of you take time out of your day to comment in the comments. So who am I to just say my only job is to create the content? My job is also to like foster these relationships and make sure that I'm like appreciating you guys to the fullest extent. So obviously that's something I like to keep in mind when it comes to my YouTube videos, but I also have to keep that in mind when it comes to friends. And right now, one of my friends really needs me. So I'm going home. I'm gonna be home for a few days and hopefully we'll end up doing something fun like going into the city. So I want to pack accordingly. Another thing that I always like to do on Sundays is to create schedules for myself. Whether it be a schedule for the upcoming week, a schedule for one particular day, or a schedule for a full month. I find it to be really, really beneficial. I know this is gonna sound crazy because it's not even Halloween, but I'm already thinking about holiday and winter video ideas. Normally, the months of November and December are really, really big months for YouTubers, but if I'm being totally honest with you guys, my channel has never really thrived during those months, which is odd because it seems to do that for everybody else's channel, but I would love for this year to be the year that changes. I've been super on top of my new video schedule recently. I don't know if you guys have been able to notice, but I've been posting every Wednesday and Sunday exactly at 11 a.m. and just the timing itself makes me really happy, and so far Sundays and Wednesdays seem to be working. But once November rolls around, and especially December, I would love to post even more than that. So I already have a list of 13 holiday video ideas sitting here on my phone, all of which that I'm really, really excited about. So now I want to take all of these ideas and try and put them into a calendar so it seems a bit more attainable, and before we know it, I'm going to be pre-filming all of this content. When it comes to scheduling out content for a full month, I like to use Google Calendar, mainly because it allows me to see everything in one place and have everything written down. But if I need to change plans or anything, I'm able to do that really, really easily. And this is when I'm gonna turn it over to you guys. So if there are any particular holiday, winter themed videos that you want me to make sure to let me know soon, because I'm gonna be pre-filming all of this content and trying to get it up as soon as possible so I can help you guys out as much as possible this season. Speaking of planning, I have officially been sold on the Doing Well Daily Journal. I've heard so many of the influencers that I follow talk about this journal and speak so highly of it, and it seems like something that would be right up my alley. Each page looks a little something like this. Up top, it comes with space to write 3 things that you're grateful for, words to live by, you can outline this inspirational quote, and then it has space to write your to-do list. All of that, and it's only $38, so I am sold. I've definitely been looking for a new way to organize my day-to-day life, and I think that this will be perfect. Please try your best to ignore the sound of the dishwasher in the background. This is just part of my family's Sunday routine, I guess, but today has definitely gotten away from me. In addition to filming this vlog, I've been shooting a bunch of content, and this is normally how my Sundays look. They're usually very big work days for me, so not all that relaxing, but it makes me feel good to be prepared for the rest of the week. So this is still very much self-care in my book, but suddenly it's dinner time. I don't know how we got here, but it is. So my dad just left to go pick up our Italian food. Sunday nights in my house usually mean comfort food, which always makes me very happy. So tonight we're having Italian, and I need this right now. It's good for the soul. I guess we're eating on paper plates tonight because all of our normal plates are in the dishwasher. Okay, all of our glasses are in the dishwasher also. That's great. That was so good and so needed. There really is nothing I love more than our Sunday night comfort dinners, and tonight's penne alla vodka was definitely one of my favorites in a while. And now that I can finally start settling down for the night, I'm gonna start by taking a body shower. But before I can do that, I need to wash this makeup off of my face because I don't want it getting into my pores. That is not good for my skin. And then after my shower, then I can do my full skincare routine.
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart.
That face mask left my skin feeling so soft. I can't believe I had never used it before. It's been sitting in my bathroom cabinet for the longest time, and I figured it was only right when I was having a Sunday self-care kind of day to do a face mask, but now I want to order like 5 more of them because I'm kind of obsessed. But now I'm in bed for the night, obviously, and I'm very happy that I am. It's been a busy work day, and I have a feeling it's gonna lead into an even busier work week. So to end off my night, I am going to watch a movie. Honestly, I was never a big movie person. I talked to you guys about this in the beginning of quarantine, that I was trying to become more of a movie person. Not sure if I quite got there, but tonight I'm gonna be watching the movie Someone Great. I've already seen it a few times, but it's just one of those things that never gets old. So this is how I'm gonna be spending my night, and I figured I can end off the video now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know in a comment down below. Comment down below your favorite thing to do on a Sunday to get you ready for the upcoming week. Maybe we can share some ideas, and I'll talk to you guys very soon on Wednesday. Bye.